In this section of the tutorial, I will cover 50 tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10. This is going to be subdivided into 5 tips every video. So be sure to stay tuned to watch each and every one of it so that you can enhance your experience in the use of Windows 10. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashid and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos from this channel. For you today, 5 tips and tricks. Let's get started.
Tip number 1 is how to change cursor color and size. The default color of our cursor is usually this white and of this size. You can change the color and size to look as you wish. You can customize it to any size of your liking. All you need to do is to come over to the Windows menu here and go straight down to settings and come all the way to ease of access, and then look to the left. You can see mouse pointer. On clicking on it, you have the options to change the size of the mouse. This is the default size, but you can increase it to any size of your like, and you can see it increases accordingly as you increase the size. And you can decrease it to any size. I prefer the default size. And then you have the option to change the color. This is the default color. You can make it black, just like the Mac or Apple computer. You can invert it if you want. And you can choose a custom color to it. You can choose any color of your choosing, be it yellow, be it this turquoise, or this purple color, according to your choice, or you can pick a particular range of coloration. Tip number 2 is Cloud Clipboard. Usually when you copy a text, you can paste it within your computer. But now Microsoft has introduced the Cloud Clipboard in the sense that you can copy something and paste it in more than one device as far as you synchronize those devices that you're going to paste in. So to synchronize and enable this copying of text into more than one device, all you need to do is to come over to the Windows menu here, go straight to settings, and go over to systems and straight come down to clipboard. And once you are on the clipboard, you have to enable this sync across devices. You have to make sure it is enabled. And now you can automatically sync text that I copied from this device to another, but you have to log in and you have to create the sync. And then you can say it should never automatically synchronize. You can set it accordingly. And with this, you should be able to paste text that you copy from your computer to your phone or to anywhere once you synchronize the email address. Once you synchronize the cloud storage, you can be able to paste in more than one device. Tip number 3 is how to change the audio output of your computer. The usual way to change the audio output is you have to go down to the Windows menu, go to control panel and change the Windows, and then approach your sound system and then change the output of your sound. But the most contemporary method now is you can just come over to the speaker icon here and just click on it, and you have the option to click on this drop up. Once you click on it, you have a series of devices that you can output. For example, you can use my mic, or you can use Crisp, or you can use headphones if you have it plugged in. So directly from here, you can specify the output of your sound very easily without you going to the control panel as you used to do before. Tip number 4 is how to change the Explorer view of our Windows. Usually once you click on the Windows key and the letter E, what comes up is the quick access. You can change this from the quick access to the normal this PC option. Okay, so to do that, all you need to do is come to the view here and then come to options here, and then you go straight down and change it from quick access to this PC, and you hit apply and say okay. So the next time you hit the Windows tab and E, it brings you to this PC directly instead of the quick access. Okay, so this is just the quick way to change the Explorer option. Tip number 5 is how to change the graphic performance of your computer. So usually for gamers, for people who play games, and for people who use series of applications that consumes the graphic energy or performance, you can set the usage of the computer just directly by changing the graphic settings. So to change the graphic settings, all you need to do is to come over here to the search bar and graphic settings. And then you are up here and you can have the option to choose better performance of your system in terms of the battery life and the usage of the app. So you can select which I usually use to use the store apps, and then you select which app you want. You select from the series of apps that you have, for example, this game bar, and you can add it to your list, and you can change the option, the graphic preference. Do you want the Windows to decide for you, or you want the power saving mode? For example, while you are using it, you want the system to automatically switch to the power saving mode, or you can use the high performance. For game users, if you're using a lot of videos, you should know what high performance means. So you can switch to high performance, or you can choose the power savings according to your liking and save it directly. So this is a very direct option to alter the performance or the graphic usage of your system to what you prefer.
Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks. If you do, kindly feel free to share with your friends. And don't forget to watch out for the remaining tips and tricks that I share in this particular series. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.